Today I'm going to show you guys how to wash your juicy hair for extensions, and the first thing you're going to want to get is a wide tooth comb or a diamond brush, and you're going to start detangling that hair. Start from the bottom of the bundle and work your way up to the roots. I always recommend detangling your extensions before you begin to wash them. It helps minimize shedding and it really helps prevent pulling out any loose hairs. Next, you guys will watch me go in with neutralizing shampoo. Now, this is not a necessary step. However, it is something that I like to do to ensure that I have received 100% unprocessed hair. Like I said, it is not a necessary step. However, it is something that you can do if you wish to. Now here you guys can see that I am scrunching the life out of this hair. Scrunching is an important and crucial part of making your curls pop, okay? You want to scrunch that hair up. Now, as you guys can see, I did receive a little bit of shedding from this bundle. It is because it was just freshly taken out of packaging from my vendor. When the hair sits in packaging, it tends to dry out and it does tend to shed. That is why it is important to co-wash your bundles upon receiving them. Now, shedding is not anything that you will need to worry about. Once the hair completely air dries, you will not experience shedding at all. Next, I will go in with shampoo. My favorite shampoos are Organics brand. If not Organics, then Carol's Daughter's Black Vanilla line. These shampoos work great on this hair. Again, you will see me scrunching the hair, lathering the hair. Scrunching is important. It's important. It's important. Do not forget to scrunch the hair whilst washing it. Next, you will see me going in with my Denman brush. I recommend Denman brushes 100%. They are a great tool for detangling your hair while it is wet. You can get one at your local Sally's or beauty supply store. I believe mine was $11.99. Next, I will go in with conditioner. My favorite conditioner to use is the Quenching Curls line by Organics, as well as the Black Vanilla line by Carol's Daughter. However, I ran out of those, and that is no problem. I actually decided to use the Coconut Milk Conditioner by Organics. Now, you are welcome to use any conditioner that you please. Please just keep in mind that I have used these products, so I know that they work well with my hair. So I really do recommend, or suggest at the very least, that you do use these products. Again, I am scrunching, and then I will place this hair in a plastic bag. Once I place the hair in a plastic bag, I will let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, and after that, I will let the hair air dry. I do not use heat to dry this hair. I do not use diffusers. I simply let it air dry. And this is the final product. Look at those curls, all thanks to that scrunching method. This is the natural texture of the hair. I have not put anything on this hair. I really just love the way these curls look. Like, ladies, have an affair with your hair. Shop Juicy Hair Affair for temptingly appealing hair. Don't forget, we also have $20 sample orders. Stay blessed.